Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening up this because I went into the entertainer the other day and I found this and I was like, oh, I'm loving this. I haven't had a blind box or anything in ages and these looked really interesting, so I picked one up and let's see what we're going to get and let's get cracking, shall we? So let's just open it. Okay. Okay, outer layer off. Now we have an inner layer. Let's go. We've got these colourful bags inside. Okay, this is what it looks like. MINIVERSE. Okay, lots of things in here. We got these little booklets. So this one here is in English. It says, read me first. I assume these are all the same, just in different languages. Yeah, read me first. Okay, let's read you first. What do you say? I don't even bother reading that. I'm just going to open these up. Are you ready? Okay, number one. Chocolate? What is it? Pink stuff. Sprinkles! Tiny sprinkles! Okay. What's this? A little cup and a plate! Okay. This one? Oh my goodness, is this churros? Look at them! Okay, and tiny cutlery. Are you kidding? Look at this little spoon. We have tongs and we have this. I don't know what that is. Let's look in the instructions. It'll tell us what to do here. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these. Wow. Oh, look at all the drinks. I kind of wish I had a drink. I really like that grape soda. Look at that blue raz slushy. The strawberries. I can't believe we got this one. The little churros. That's so cute. Hot dogs, nachos. Oh, this one here is cute. What is that? Unicorn popcorn. I love that. So on the back here, it just gives you some instructions. So let's get going. Not get over how cute these are. Look how tiny this is. Like, here's my thumbnail. Oh my goodness. So let's just open this up. Oh, they are so cute. Realistic do these look? I'm gonna keep this little box forever. Okay, so here's what it's telling me to do. It's telling me to dunk the churros in the sauce. Obviously we have the pink sauce. Oh my goodness. There we go. Gather some up. Pop it on the plate. Nice. Oh, I should be using my little tongs, shouldn't I? Whoa, that was a big bit. Get my baby tongs. Oh, whoa. There we go. Do you know what? I'm only going to do 3. I want to keep this one for something. I think we're going to use that for something different. Let's drizzle this over the top. It doesn't say to do this, but I think it will look cute. There. Some drizzle. Nice. And now we have these little tiny sprinkles. Look at this little jar. I'm also going to keep this forever. Look at that. It's got little sprinkle things on it. So let's sprinkle some sprinkles on. Oh, stop. That's so cute. And now I have to put it in the sun. However, here's the thing. In the UK, it's not very sunny. So I'm going to use my UV nail lamp. I'm just going to pop it in. Oh. There we go. I just popped it in there to cure. So I'll give that a couple minutes. The instructions say 5 to 10, but I reckon it's probably going to take like 1 to 2 in there because the UV light is so strong on my machine. But we'll see how it comes out. So just like I thought, completely hard in a minute. Like literally 1 minute underneath my UV now lamp. Look at that. So sweet. I'm thinking though, I should do something with this little cup. Like, it doesn't give any instructions for the cup, but I do have a bit of this kind of pink stuff left. So I think it will look cute if I pour that into the cup, add some sprinkles in there. You know, sometimes you can get a cup, can't you, with like the chocolate stuff in where you dunk it in. So I'm going to do that. I think that will look cute. So I'll just use my tongs and get the rest of this out. I'm going a bit rogue. Get in there. Nice. I'm very glad I got a pink one. I wanted a pink one. So I've got to keep my tongs in there. Oh, that's looking nice and full. And let's add some sprinkles on top of there. Should I, or should I leave it like that? Sprinkles. You can never have too many sprinkles. Oh, there. I'm going to put that inside my UV lamp again. There it is, just baking away. Look how cute that is. It looks so realistic. There we go, look, there it is. Look how cute that is. Okay, all set up. The little tongs here as well, we still have these, so you could just like move things around, pick up that last churro. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness, I really enjoyed that. I actually want to go and buy another one. So yeah, this is the birthday cake churros kind of like pull. Really like it. Love the little sprinkles, love the details on all the churros there. The only thing I didn't like is the fact that I've got a little black mark on the cup. Can you see that? Isn't that really annoying? I suppose I could add a little bit of drip over that if I can't get it off, but that's just how it came. I absolutely adore this little churro box, and I wondered if I could use this in a DIY for something, like turn that into a key ring. Look how cute it is, little barcode and everything on that. I love it. I think it's so cute. I think that little box is what's made me the most happy, to be honest. But yeah, there we go. There's my first ever mini-verse one from the cafe series number 2. Really loved it. Definitely want to try some more. So if there's any that you want to see me do, then do let me know, because I am completely happy to do some more. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you very soon for another DIY. Bye.